try. Breathe in, out, and dive. And Chad falls in the pool. Hi, we'd like 2 tickets to the water park. We are closed. What? Huh? Come tomorrow. How come? I'm not getting into the water park. Don't panic, sis. I have an idea. Let's go. My favorite thing at a water park is a tube. The siblings came up with a way to have a water park at home. Jenna is having a relaxing spa night. I'll put cucumbers on my eyes and meditate. Oh, is that water? Huh? It's the neighbors again. I'll teach you a lesson. You are flooding my apartment. How dare you? I'll explain. Now there's a water park here. Oh, a water park.
What?
Relax. Come on in and you'll see. But you can only come in with a swimsuit. Sure. I love sunbathing. But it's too hot here. Chad, I can't handle this heat anymore. Hold on. I'll swap the big bulb for a smaller one. Done! Enjoy! That's actually better. Whoops! Now there's no power in the entire building. Look, a height meter. It's perfect if I bend down a little. I'm going on the slide. Yay! I'm up next. Huh? I want to go on the slide too. Let me in. But the height, who cares? Oh yeah? No pool for you. Go! Oh, Jenna goes down right into her apartment. Why is there a hole in the ceiling? Huh? Whoops! Jenna is a lifeguard at the home water park. Chad, stop splashing! Oh, hi! Subscribe to our channel, hit the thumbs up, and click the bell. And comment down below. I'm coming! Oh! Splashing makes it more fun! Huh? I got it! Chad! I warned you! Blah, blah, blah. You are so boring! Huh? What is that? Here you go! Now I have to wipe all this up! Phew! Oh no! Huh? The pool is closed! The pool is amazing! But it would be better with waves! What if I turn the AC on? Whoa! Tiny waves! Oh. What if I turn it up? Ah! An actual tsunami! No more waves! It's nice to chill with a drink after swimming! Ah! Chad! Stop it! Okay! I'll go down the slide instead. I have an idea. I'll drink all the water from the pool. Chad will be so shook. Woohoo! Oh, who drained the pool? Leave them here. I'm an exception. Stop. No exceptions. Even for your sister? Okay, fine. Everyone's having fun. And Chad picks all the worst angles. Woohoo! Alice, look at the camera. Chad, give it to me. Hee-hee! These pics are crazy. Give me my photos. Only if you pay. Fine. Here. Yikes! The battle is starting. Take no prisoners. This is war. No one will leave this fight dry. Chad! Alice! What are you doing? Stop! Jenna got caught in the crossfire. That's it! The guys are in trouble. No way! Playing here isn't fun at all. This place is boring without them. Cool! Stop! What? You can't go inside without a mask. Huh? What? You also need floaties. Got it! Huh? A swim ring? I'm ready for anything! I give up! Pool! Fish peeling! Come here! Whoa! I've always wanted to try it! Pay in cash! Enjoy! Let's see! These fish are too lazy! Hold on! They are made out of paper! Hey! I want a refund! Only swimsuits at the water park! That's the rule! Alice, where's your swimsuit? It's on me! I'm wearing a swimsuit too! No, ma'am, you can keep your robe on! I'm hungry, so am I. What about pizza? Great idea! We'd like a pizza! Done! Delivery! Hi! Whoops! I don't have any money. Would you like to go on some water park rides as payment? Whoa! Of course! Wow! It's like a real water park.
Wow.
And there's even a slide. Unbelievable! I'm coming! Whee! I love water slides. Thank you, buddy. Here's your water. Good luck! Bye! Phew! Chad falls asleep in a soft bed with a sleeping mask. Alice falls asleep in a bathtub with a snorkeling mask. The guys are tired of relaxing. Oh no! It's water! We're getting flooded! Save yourselves! Oh no! Mom's calling me! Hi, Mom! Coming back home? So fast? We're in trouble! But Chad remembers they have a drain! Hi, kids! Did you miss us? We have a surprise for you! Water park tickets! Are you happy? Yeah! And this is for you! The water bill? What? entire water park swam over to me! Did you like our video? Then comment below if you'd like to have your own water park at home. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.